Hey guys, it's Kaylin and welcome back to my channel, and today with all the craziness going on, I want to talk about how to make money right now during the coronavirus 2020. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and I would greatly appreciate it. So the first and probably best thing you can do is become a delivery driver. I know DoorDash is hiring, Uber Eats is hiring, just your local restaurants are hiring for both curbside and delivery because they really need people. People can't eat out right now, so the only thing they can do is have it delivered to them. So there's a huge demand for this right now. And if you really need money, I would recommend going and doing it. The second thing you can do is become a mystery shopper. I know a lot of times people think mystery shoppers can only shop in store, but a lot of mystery shopping actually happens online as well as calling businesses too. So there's still an opportunity to make money with mystery shopping right now, even during the coronavirus. The third thing you can do is sell items you don't need or resell items. So just going around your house, a lot of times you'll find things that you don't really need anymore that are still in great condition. I know I have a desk that's sitting around that I just need to sell and get rid of because I'm not going to use it and it's still in the box. Almost everyone is bored online right now on social media and using Facebook. So I highly recommend going and just posting your items that you don't need anymore. I listed a couch for sale a couple days ago and within an hour I sold it. You can also use Letgo or Craigslist, but I always personally have the most success with Facebook Marketplace. Now, I'm not saying go be like that guy who got banned on Amazon for selling, I believe it was paper towels or toilet paper for $75. Don't go crazy and outprice something. Be reasonable, realize everybody's going through a hard time right now, but go ahead and get rid of the things you don't need. Someone else may want them. The fourth thing you can do to make money is become a dog walker. There's a lot of older people right now who don't want to put themselves at risk and go outside, but they still want to take care of their animals. So you can go on a website such as Rover and list yourself as a dog walker and help other people who can't necessarily do it. There could also be young parents who have small children and don't want to go outside, or maybe they're spending too much time homeschooling their kids and don't have time to walk the dog. The fifth and final thing you can do is join an MLM. If there's a product that you already use, chances are they may be a multi-level marketing company. For example, Arbonne, or maybe you've heard of a company called ACN, or maybe you use Monet hair products. They're all multi-level marketing or network marketing companies, which means you can make money if you sell it to other people. If you already use a product that is working well for you or you really like it, chances are your friends are going to like it too. So it really doesn't take that much extra effort to just put it online that you're using it and show people how much you're enjoying the product, or talk with your friends and just explain to them how much you love it and it might be something they want to try too. Now, I'm not saying go out and start a business right now in times like this, but if it's a product that you already use and you're happy with, it usually doesn't cost much to become a consultant for that company. So you might as well go try and see if there's other people out there that you can get to use the product too. Thanks for watching this short video, guys. I hope everyone's doing okay out there and finding a way to stay afloat during all this craziness. I look forward to seeing you guys soon and have a great week.